Hey, this is Nick Alonzi, going to give you a real quick video on how to upload your classes onto GoGuardian so that you don't have to individually type in each email. So here is how you do it. First, you go to your desired class and then you click on the gradebook. Once you click on the gradebook, there will be this three little dots in there. You click on it and you go to export. So I'm going to ask you to export your gradebook. You want it CSV for import into other system because we're going to import into GoGuardian. Press next. In there will be a download. And in there you'll see you have the advisory, you have the information, but what we really need are the emails. So you're going to copy the emails. Command C, copy, create a new page, and paste them. Now when you paste them, you are going to want to save this. So you go File, Save As, and I'm going to just put my class, homeroom, and then the next part is I have to say file format. I'm going to change it to a CSV, comma separated values, and press Save. Click on Yes. For some features of your workbook might be lost. That's okay. Press Save. The next part is you go into your school or into your GoGuardian classroom. I've already created it, homeroom, so you'll have to create the class. And the next part is you go to students. You have to add students. So you click Add, Upload CSV, choose a file, and I name mine homeroom, so I know I can click on homeroom, and it will automatically upload all my students. And at that point, I can then use GoGuardian. So that is how you can upload all your students into a GoGuardian classroom very quickly through the Schoology Gradebook.